Hey guys, I'm going to show you a couple things today that I've learned in my career that have helped me out tremendously. Alright, I'm going to show you how to properly use a hand file. I know a lot of us have these. We just go filing away at the world with them. You want to take the edges off first so you don't injure your client. And I'm going to do that by going backwards and forwards over my edges with an old file. Can't tell you how many clients I sliced in the beginning of my career because I didn't know just that one simple trick. All right, so I've already sculpted a nail here, and I kind of went offside with it a little bit to show you how to file that back into shape. We're going to file our sidewalls first, then our free edge, then our lower arch. So when you're filing, you want to make sure that the center of the file is watching you. That way you know that your file is in the correct position, not off to the side or not too far tilted in. That's how you get an off shape. All right, so when we file, we're just going to make sure that the center of the file is watching us. Same thing on the opposite side. And you'll just keep an eye on that. Make sure that file is in the correct position at all times. All right, we're going to straighten out our free edge. I'll come back and tweak this again later on. Our lower arch, right here where it drips down, we're going to start at our lowest point and file straight back. Same thing on the opposite side. See how much extra product we have here? We're going to start at the lower part and file all the way back. Now that I've done my perimeter shaping with my hand file, I'm going to come back with my electric file. I like to use what's called an eye formation roadmap filing. So we're going to work on our cuticle area first, which is the top serif of the eye. Come through our body and also do our free edge. So that makes an eye shape. So first we're going to concentrate up near the cuticle area. We're just going to come around in smooth, even strokes. I am using a safety bit here. You're not going to cut your client if you use one of these, especially for those of you who are new to electric filing. I'm running my electric file on about 10 to 11,000 rounds per minute, or RPMs, and that's going to keep us from going too fast and heating up our client's nail. So I am just going to come around that cuticle area, and I'm going to look at my nail from the side view to see where my stress arch is and also what I need to file away. So now I'm just pulling my electric file with zones 1, 2, and 3 through that nail just to smooth everybody out. Look at it from the side view again to make sure my upper arch is in place, my lower arches are straight. I'm gonna look at it from the client's view, obviously, to see where I need to remove bulk. We're going to keep looking at it down the barrel, and we're going to focus on the nail and not the bit. We are looking at the nail, and we're using all zones of our electric file or our bit to come through and smooth everybody out. Once that's done, I look at my nail from all angles, and then I can come back and finish up with my hand file. I've done all my hard work with my electric file, so of course I'm saving my body for the future. So I'm going to come through with my hand file and just kind of surf across that top surface and make sure I've got everything smoothed out. So we're going to go down on one side, center to side, center to side. We're going to come across the cuticle area and down on the other side, keeping contact the whole entire time. And I'm going to bevel down toward that free edge so we can take some of the bulk out of it. And I'm always going to turn around and look at the client's view. This way I can see if I missed anything, because the other way may look perfect. Your free edge may look nice and square. You may think you've got your cuticle area flush, but sometimes we see things from this view, the client view, that we wouldn't have seen before. So I'm just going to tweak that a little bit. Got to make sure our client's nice and happy with her nails. And that's how you do it.
Subscribe to the channel now.